Hi everyone, SteveJohnson here, ex-full-time V8 Supercars driver with over 21 Bathurst 1000 starts and 600 championship starts to my name. But since retiring full-time from supercars driving, I've decided to open up my own mechanical shop called Team Johnson Speed Shop. You may also know my father DickJohnson, who's won the Australian Touring Car Championship 5 times and is still currently active in the Supercars Championship today. What I do want to show you though is what Team Johnson Speed Shop does. Not only do we do race car preparation and race car builds, we do full custom road car work as well. Hence the reason why I'm standing in front of this ToyotaSupra right now. Now this series of episodes coming up, I'm going to take you through the ins and outs of this car, what we're changing, what we're building, what we're designing, and hopefully by the end of all the episodes you see a fantastic car at the end, ready to go onto the track, and something that you guys can get interested in and maybe pick up a few tips along the way. So sit down, strap yourself in, and let's go. Essentially, when you see the car, we want to keep the car looking very, not so much stock. You'll know that it's not stock, but we don't want people to know exactly what's under the hood. We want people to be surprised when they see the car go. We want to be able to open the bonnet, and there's a massive wow factor as well. So a lot of time and effort's going into just designing not only the engine and the style of the engine, but also how it's going to work with regard to power and the turbos and what accessories we need on the car to be able to make this all, I guess, sync nicely and become a car that amazing amount of horsepower. But we also want to build a car that you can literally jump in, turn the key, drive down the road on any day, to and from work, weekends, whatever needs to be. Then we can take it to the track, have a lot of fun with it at the track, and it obviously have a lot of power under the hood and handle really well as well.